Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be taking you all through some of the Mac terminal commands that you must know in order to enhance your terminal experience. So let's get started. So first of all, in order to open your terminal, I have to just press command plus space and then I'll type terminal and enter. So this is my beautiful terminal. In case if you want to transform your terminal according to your desire, as you can see here, then have a look at the video on the I button. The very first thing I'll be talking about is the echo keyword. Echo keyword is just a simple print statement that is used in terminal. If you want to print something in the terminal, you have to just type echo space and followed by your message. For example, I want to print my name is XYZ. So what I'll do, I'll write echo space my name is XYZ, enter. Now as you can see here, my name is XYZ is printed. Yeah, it can be used for this purpose only and nothing else. Let's go ahead. So the next thing is list of directories. At times you might be wanted to know about the list of directories that are present in the parent folder that you are in right now. Suppose I want to know what all subfolders and files are present in the parent directory I'm into. For that I have to type ls. Yes, ls is the keyword for that. I have to just press ls and enter. So as you can see, after I enter the keyword ls, I got these many things. These all are nothing but the subfolders and files that are contained inside this parent directory. Now the thing is that comes to my mind that I want to get into the directories. For example, in my parent directory there is desktop. I want to get into the desktop. I want to change the directory. So for changing the directory, the keyword that we can use is cd. Yes, we have to type cd space the name of the directory. Here it's desktop. So desktop and enter. Now as you can see, the current directory is changed to desktop. Now I want to know that what all things are present on my desktop, so I'll press ls and enter. See, these many things are present. Yeah, you can see a lot of screenshots are in there. Yeah, these all things are present in my desktop. So now I want to jump more further. I want to go into the main folder that is present in my desktop. So again I can go to cd space my, enter. Now my current directory is my. Now the question arises, if I want to go back to desktop from my, then what should I do? In this case, you should type cd space dot and enter. Now as you can see, as I type this command, my current directory changed to desktop. Now I'll again get back to my. Okay, now again I am back to my. So now one more thing that comes to my mind, if I want to go to my parent directory, then will I have to go like cd space dot then again cd dot in multiple sequences? So in this case, suppose I want to go to my parent directory, so cd space dot again cd space dot. Now I am into my parent directory. But is it feasible? Is there any way so that I could directly jump to my parent directory? There is a way for that. You have to just press cd space and then this symbol and you have to press enter. Yeah, this is a kind of similarity symbol. I don't know what it is called, but I hope you'll be finding it out on your keyboard just below the escape button. Okay, so now the thing is, okay, I'll show you by again going to my and coming back to my parent directory. So let me go to desktop, then again I'll go to my. Now I'm again in my folder. Now the question that is in my mind, I want to directly jump to my parent directory. So will this code work in this scenario? Yeah, let us see. cd space this symbol and enter. Yes, you can see that this is the parent directory now I am into. Okay, and this code actually works. Wherever you are, wherever directory you are into, you have to just press this keyword, this command, and you will come back to your parent one. Okay, now the next question arises. Instead of writing cd download and again cd my, can't I directly jump into the main folder? Yes, this is also possible. For directly jumping into the my folder or some sequential folder, you have to give the proper address of that folder. For example, here I'll type cd space desktop slash and then my, and then I'll press enter. Now you can see from the parent directory, without going into the desktop directory, I directly jumped into my directory. Okay, so this is all the things that you can do with the change directory option. There might be many, but I discussed some of the very basic and some of the very required ones. Okay, now as I can see, my screen is very much cluttered. I want to clear it off. So in order to clear the screen, there are two options that you can do. You can either press command plus K, or if you don't want to press command plus K, you can simply type clear. See, as soon as press entered, it cleared off the screen. Let's get back to next thing. So you might not be aware that you can even open a file using your terminal. So let me see whether I could open something or not. For first of all, I'll check what all files are present in the parent in the current directory I'm into. I'm into check the one that is present on my desktop. So what I'll do, I'll press ls. Yeah, ls is there, and here I can see there is a sample.jpeg file. I want to open this. In order to open any file, you have to just type this keyword open and followed by the name of the file, sample.jpeg, and then you have to press enter. As soon as I pressed enter, the file sample.jpeg open. As you can check the file name over here. Okay, let's get back to the terminal. Okay, so this was it, and if you wish to open a website, you have to just write open and then followed by the link of the website. For example, I want to go to http google.com. So as I'm not connected to the internet, you can see that it isn't working, but yeah, this is the address that we typed in there. Okay, so we reached over there. So this is what I was talking about, how you can open a website using this. You can type anything over here and you'll go to the site. Now moving on further, suppose let me get back to the parent directory. Suppose I want to check the version of the software present in my computer. For example, I want to know which version of Python is available on my computer. So how can I know it? At times it is very necessary for you to know which update is available or which version of software you are using or you're having on your computer. For that, you have to just write the software name followed by double dash and version. For example, if I want to check the version of Python that I'm having in my computer, I have to type Python dash dash version and press enter. So as you can see, this is the version of Python that is in my computer. Now if I want to check Java, okay, let me check Java as well. Java version, press enter. So this is the Java version that is available on my system right now. So this is how helpful it is. You can even get the version of the application or software you're using in your computer. So the next thing that I'll be talking about is, you might not be aware, but you can even run Python or any other language program on your terminal as well. So let me show you how you can run Python program. I'll show you a very simple, a very minimal program that will be infinite loop, and I'll also show you how you can terminate the infinite loop in between if it is going on in your terminal. And not only the loop, whether it is any of the execution of the terminal that you want to terminate in between, it can be done using that keyword. So let me show you. I'll go to, in order to write a Python program, first of all, I'll have to get into Python. So I'll write Python and enter. So here I am. So it is giving some warning to means update the version and all. So I'll be doing it afterwards. Now here is where you have to write the code. And the very first thing that you should be knowing about is you cannot indent your code in terminal. It is not an IDE, it won't be providing you such special features like indentation and all. So you'll have to write each and everything in a single line. So it is actually not very much feasible to write code in here. So what I can suggest that you please go to any of the text editors, you write your code there, you copy the code and you have to just paste it over here. So this is what I did. I wrote a code for infinite loop and I'll just paste it here. So this is my code and I'll press enter. So as you can see, this is an infinite loop and it is going on and going on. It won't stop. So if I want to stop it, for that I'll have to press Ctrl+C. Yes, here you can see as soon as I pressed Ctrl+C, it at that moment, at that instance, terminated the program that was executing. Okay, so this is what you can do when you are stuck into a situation where you want to terminate the program in between, that you don't want it to proceed further. Now I am, as you have observed, I am into Python and I want to get out of it. So how can I get out of that Python? So in order to get out, I have to press Ctrl+D. Now I am out of Python as well. Now the next thing is, I want to work in multiple tabs of the terminal at once. Yes, it can also be done. It is just like using browser tabs. You're having multiple tabs on your browser and you can work on them simultaneously. So it is just like that. You have to just press Command+T and you'll be into a new tab. And if you want to close it, you have to just press Command+W and it will be closed. So I hope so far it was kind of helpful for you all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.